It's time to register for the 2022 Kids College at PVCC Summer STEM and Arts Academies. This summer's program is going to be the best ever, with more than 100 hands-on workshops offered at 3 locations across the area. Choose from virtual reality, photography, drones, dance, welding, Minecraft, 3D art, engineering, and so much more. Join us for flexible morning, afternoon, and full-day options. With locations at PVCC main campus and in Fluvanna and Greene counties, it's easy for your child to participate. Kids College at PVCC runs from June 13th through August 12th. Kids College at Fluvanna is June 6th through the 17th. And Kids College at Greene is July 18th through the 29th. All academies are open to rising 1st through 12th graders. Scholarships are available. Go to pvcc.edu/kidscollege and register today. Make this a summer that your child will never forget.